همزة القطع وهمزة الوصل. همزة الوصل، همزة القطع. Can you tell the differences between both? همزة الوصل yellow, همزة القطع blue. همزة الوصل where you don't pronounce Hamza, where you see alif in the beginning of the word but without Hamza. But همزة القطع where you see Hamza in the beginning of the word, it could be Hamza with fatha or with dhammeh or Hamza with kasra. So how we can distinguish when we add Hamza in the beginning of the word on the top of alif and when we don't? Sometimes we get confused about Hamzat al-Wasl and Hamzat al-Qata', where sometimes alif has Hamza, sometimes alif doesn't have Hamza. Sometimes we pronounce it, sometimes we don't pronounce it. So let's pay attention to some examples. Again, Hamzat al-Qata' is the alif that you see Hamza on it. It could be Hamza with fatha or dhammeh or kasra. Hamzat al-Wasl, you see alif in the beginning of the word, but you don't see Hamza. Let's do some examples. The verb أخذ. I'm not sure here, is it أخذ with Hamza or أخذ alif but without Hamza? How we can tell? The easiest way, add waw, precede the verb or the name by waw and pronounce it. وأخذ. Can you hear Hamza here? وأخذ. وأخذ. But if I add waw without pronouncing alif, وخذ. وخذ. وخذ, it's not a word. So here I cannot pronounce this word without Hamza. So this is wrong. So if you cannot pronounce the word without Hamza, then it's Hamzat Qata'. So I have to say وأخذ, and he took. وأخذ, this one, وأخذ, it's not even a word. So that's why the tricky part here, you precede the noun or the verb or the name by waw or by fa. Waw, it's more common one. If you precede the word by waw and you cannot pronounce it without Hamza, then it's Hamzat Qata'. So again, the verb أخذ. The verb is أخذ. I cannot say وخذ. وخذ, it's not a word, it's not a vocab. The vocab and the real and the good pronunciation for he took, أخذ. So when you add waw, وأخذ. So I'm still pronouncing Hamza. وأخذ. I will never say وخذ. This is not a word. So this is wrong and this is right. Again, if you add waw before the word, if you can pronounce it without Hamza, then it's Hamzat Wasl. Let's test this word, امتحان. Let's add waw and pronounce it. وامتحان. I still can pronounce it without Hamza. Then it's Hamzat Wasl. وامتحان. Let's check these words. أخذ, أبي, أمل, أمي. Let's add waw and see if they are Hamzat Qata' or I should take Hamza out. وخذ. Again, وخذ. وخذ, it's not right. I cannot pronounce this word without Hamza. وأخذ, and he took. وأبي. وأبي. Can I say wabi? Wabi? It does not sound right. And it's wrong. I have to have Hamza. So it's Hamzat Qata'. Again, let's do waw with ummi. Wammi, it's the word is ummi. Can I say wammi? We can't. I have to say wa ummi, and my mom. Then all of them, they are not Hamzat Wasl. All of them, they should take Hamza. وأخذ, وأبي, وأمي. So the second you think you cannot pronounce it without Hamza, then it's قطع. Then it's قطع. If you think you can pronounce the word without Hamza, then it's wasl. We call it Hamzat Wasl. You will never say وخذ. You will never say وبي. You will never say وامي. These are not words, and you cannot pronounce them without Hamza. That's why all of them are Hamzat قطع. Let's do some practicing. أشجار. أشجار. Can I say وشجار? No, I can't. If you cannot pronounce it without Hamza, then it's Hamzat قطع. Then I need Hamza on Alif. اسمي. Can I say واسمي? Yes, we can. And in a few seconds, I will show you another way to test if it's Hamzat قطع or Hamzat Wasl. Now let's continue. إن. وإن. This is the best way and the correct way to pronounce it. وإن. I cannot say وَنَّ. It's not a word and it's not good pronunciation. That's why I need Hamza. وإن. إبنة. I can say وابنة. I can. Then it's Hamzat Wasl. المدرسة and الطالبة. Both of them, anytime when you begin with Alif Lam, this noun, it's Hamzat Wasl. It's not Hamzat قطع. والمدرسة والطالبة. As long as you can pronounce it without Hamza, we call it Hamzat Wasl. That means don't add Hamza. أو. وأو. Can you hear it? I am pronouncing Hamza. I cannot say wa without أو. You have to pronounce Hamza here. If you have to pronounce Hamza, then you have to write it. But sometimes, as I said in Hamzat al-Wasl, sometimes you can say the word correctly without Hamza, then you don't write Hamza. Again, al-Kitab, it's the same. Anytime you begin with Alif Lam, there is no Hamza on Alif. Ibn, can I say wa ibn? Yes, we can. This is what I was talking about. There's another way you can distinguish between Hamzat al-Qati' and Hamzat al-Wasl. If you use it in a question or in a sentence, like ism, masmak. You see, I can say it without writing Hamza, without pronouncing Hamza. Masmak, masmak. So here we call it Hamzat Wasl because it works like a bridge between these two words. Masmak. I did not say ma ismak. Masmak. That's why we call it Hamzat Wasl. Remember, anytime you do not pronounce the Hamza, we call it Hamzat Wasl. Tamarin. Let's do some practicing. We have all these words, Hamzat al-Qati', Hamzat al-Wasl. What I want you to do, I want you to stop the video, read each one, and then decide, add waw, and then decide if it's Hamzat Qati' or if it's Hamzat Wasl. Decide if you can pronounce it without Hamza, then don't add Hamza. Stop the video and do some practicing. Then after you finish, continue listening to the video. الإجابات الصحيحة. Here are the correct answers. And if you are wondering why I have knife to the right side and a bridge to the left side, this is what our teacher used to tell us when we were little kids. So we can differentiate between Hamzat al-Qati' wa Hamzat al-Wasl. She used to say, Hamzat al-Qati', it's like a knife. It's strong and you have to pronounce it. Ah, u, I. Qati', you cut the sound. Ah, u, I. But Hamzat al-Wasl, It's like a bridge. It connects the words to each other. كتاب الطالب. كتاب الطالب. So here you connect. It's وصل. It's like a bridge between two words. أنت. أنت. If you are not sure, precede أنت by wa. Can you say وأنت? No, it's وأنت. So there is همزة قطع here. أنت. Sound. أستاذ. If you are not sure, add واو. وأستاذ. وأستاذ, it's not a word, so it's wrong. You have to say وأستاذ. أنا. أنا. Can you hear a? It's a strong sound. You can hear it. أنا. Can you say وأنا? No. You have to say وأنا. أحمد. It's a male name. أحمد. Can you say وأحمد? No. His name is أحمد. So it's همزة قطع. إبراهيم. إبراهيم. Another male name. أنتِ. أنتِ. Can you say وأنتِ? No. It's أنتِ. Sound. Now let's see همزة الوصل. اثنان. Can I say واثنان? Yes, I can say it. It's not affecting the pronunciation. As long as you can pronounce it without همزة, then it's همزة الوصل. امرأة. Can I say وامرأة? Yes, we can. You need to do a lot of practicing on these two. همزة القطع وهمزة الوصل.